Hey folks, here at Fuel Proof, you may not know this, but we also do hot and cold high pressure cleaning systems. These machines are for the big time operators. Quite simple. A Honda GX 11 horsepower Samurai powered motor with a Karcher professional hot water system. No Karcher system on the cold water unit. The other important thing is our units come standard with an antifreeze tank for those cold winter mornings when you need to clean off roads. Comes with a lockable manway. You can get inside and clean your tank out. Make sure it's perfect every time. Hitch, wind it up. Make sure you get the lift right so you can load it with ease. A handbrake so that you don't roll over your mate's toes and lose it down the hill. Your detergent tank, fill it up. Make sure your system runs and you keep your business neat and clean. A high-speed double axle towing system as well on a galvanized trailer, high quality, high spec. 20 meters of hose, reach those long sections of road with ease. High buildings, roofing, windows, 20 meters of hose. A galvanized reel so it doesn't rust. A Karcher professional trigger, nice and strong for those hard jobs.